This Mevo Multicam feature highlight seems to be perfect timing for Amazon's Prime Day deals. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. But the feature highlight I'm talking about here is going to allow me to record this video, not to my camera roll, not to my Photos app on my iPad, where it's going to try to upload to iCloud, obviously. It's going to allow me to record this video either to my iPad as a file, not a video in the camera roll. I can choose what folder it goes into, or it will even let me record to an external hard drive, which brings great convenience with that. Let me show you where that feature is so we can highlight this. So if I tap on the record button, then when I get to the place where I'm going to save it, instead of letting it be photos for location, I'm going to hit the choose button. And when I hit the choose button, it's going to pop up and allow me to direct it where I want it to go. So my Crucial X8, go in and choose the Mevo folder, which is empty at this point. But then that's going to allow me to record this there instead of on my iPad, which is always struggling for space. You notice that whenever we okay this, then it's going to go and change from the 307 gigs of 500 gigs that I have on my iPad to this many of my 1 terabyte, which lets me know I'm now aimed at this SSD. And this particular SSD, not this particular one. This one is not in production as best I can tell anymore. I've had this one a couple of years. But the next version of it, this is the Crucial X8, the Crucial X9 Pro, 1 terabyte, Crucial X10 and Crucial X10 Pro, all 1 terabyte drives, are on Prime Day deals right now. Let me pull that up so that I can tell you for sure what those Prime Day deals are. So the X9 Pro 1 terabyte is going to be at $75 limited time on Prime Day deal. The Crucial X10, not the Pro version, but just the X10, $91.99 as a Prime Day deal. And the Crucial X10 is also on a limited time deal. X10, yes, the X10, $81 for a 1 terabyte solid state drive. And the baseball streamers that watch this video who are using Mevo's Multicam app can send the video straight to the external hard drive. I'll do you one better than that, okay? So this particular setup, let me get back over to Multicam so I can see what I'm doing here and show you for sure. This particular setup that I have, I'm actually running a hub into my iPad. And I'm running Ethernet into that hub, and I'm running my SSD into that hub as well. So I'm running this little, what is it branded? UTech Smart. It's a little $25 hub that I picked up a few years ago on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. I don't think it's a Prime Day deal, but that's okay. This is allowing me Ethernet connectivity to my iPad. It's allowing me the USB 3.2, the faster USB speed to my my SD card. It also has HDMI. It can pass through charge. There's a lot of different versions of this same little device, but that's the one that I use, and it gives me all of this this solid setup that I really love because I'm wired into my Ethernet. I am also wired into my SD card, so I'm recording directly to it. I can pass through charge, and so it's a great feature that Mevo Multicam has, but it's paired with some pretty good deals right now. If you're in the market for a solid state drive, then those Crucials are good. I've had this one a few years. It's been reliable for me. Stay tuned for my other Prime Day deal videos that are coming out soon.